A shadow can hide in plain sight. And that's why I'm staring at this tiny lump, like it's a ticking alarm most people never hear. But the moment it shows up, your immune system starts acting like a crowd with the wrong instructions, because lymphoma twists the very cells meant to protect you. So those cells multiply without a break, which means they pack your lymph nodes like a traffic jam that shouldn't exist. But the chaos doesn't stay put, because those cells travel through your whole lymph network, carrying the confusion everywhere. So your body tries to fight, but it's fighting the wrong thing, which means fevers spark, weight drops, and fatigue creeps in like someone dimmed your power from the inside. And that's why early signs matter more than they look, because catching the confusion early can flip the whole story. So if you want more breakdowns like this, stick around.